Hello, my name is Michael Silver, and I'm the director of the Neuroscience Graduate Program at the University of California at Berkeley.
Hi, my name is Adrian.
My name is Celia.
My name is Laura.
My name is Karina.
And I am a second year.
I'm a fourth year.
I'm a first year.
And I'm a second year student in the Neuroscience PhD program at UC Berkeley.
Our program offers intensive and integrated training in all aspects of neuroscience, from the biophysics of ion channels to the neural substrates of human cognition and everything in between.
We are a vibrant and supportive community of neuroscientists. We're passionately committed to enhancing and promoting diversity, equity, and inclusion.
Our graduate program is not a traditional academic department, but rather is comprised of 72 faculty from more than a dozen departments on our campus.
The student-to-faculty ratio at Berkeley is less than 1, which means that students have many choices of labs they can join for their thesis research.
They work side by side in the lab with students from many other programs, including molecular and cellular biology, psychology, computer science, chemistry, bioengineering, physics, vision science, public health, many others that I can't even think of.
So 92% of students who enter our program obtain their PhD, and 43% have won competitive fellowships. Again, 92% of our graduates go on to perform research careers. Even though our class size is about 12 students per year, Berkeley neuroscience students have published 238 articles in the past 5 years alone, and many of them in premier journals.
And our world-class research facilities include centers for brain imaging, microscopy, molecular imaging, functional genomics, and theoretical neuroscience.
And importantly, the Berkeley Neuroscience program is proud to contribute to the UC Berkeley tradition of activism for social justice. We conduct outreach and recruitment activities to enhance the diversity of our neuroscience community. We incorporate diversity and equity training and discussion into our curriculum, and we support many social activities to promote inclusivity for our students.
Our program is financially strong, with 44 years of continuous NIH funding and multiple other endowments. A full stipend, tuition, and health insurance, including dental and vision insurance, is guaranteed for all students that are making progress towards their degree, regardless of their citizenship.
Being a Berkeley graduate student means living in San Francisco Bay Area, with easy access to the ocean, mountains, desert, and redwood forests. There are cultural opportunities of every kind imaginable. If a neuroscience graduate program with a strong commitment to interdisciplinary cutting-edge research and a cohesive and supportive community sounds appealing to you, we encourage you to apply.
The strength of our program is really our students. If you're interested in being a graduate student in the Berkeley Neuroscience program, I encourage you to reach out to our current students and see what their experience has been like.
I chose this program because it just felt right. From the second that I got here, the students were welcoming and friendly, and in addition to being superstar scientists, everyone here has a bunch of wild interests and hobbies outside of science. Some people are musicians, some people do circus arts, people windsurf, or they run vegan cooking websites, or they do printmaking. Really anything that you can think of. We're just pretty cool.
Personally, I chose UC Berkeley for my graduate studies not only because I was really impressed by the quality of research here, but what really made Berkeley stand out for me were the students, and that's for 2 reasons. So the first reason is that I saw that the students here have a really good work-life balance, and also what I think is a really healthy perception of a work-life balance. The second thing that impressed me about the student community was the commitment to outreach, and not just something like on the side or something that you do outside of lab. I felt that the students here had really good ideas about how to bring science into the community.
With the current state of our society, it becomes clear that the terms diversity and mentorship should not be considered independent of each other. In all levels of our community, from graduate student to faculty, I have seen how these are core values that define our environment in the program. And I'm eager to see Puerto Rican students gain interest in our program, as it has a unique focus on developing mentorship skills that will enable future generations of scientists to recruit and mentor students from underrepresented backgrounds.
Grad school is hard, but I wouldn't want to do it anywhere else.
Thank you.